It says this thing out on there is live. I'm live. All right. So earlier I made a video in which I was doing this bank account kata, and I noticed a code smell. The code smell. By the way, this is my second time recording this. I did a video last night. I had an invite come in, and we started talking, about this code kata. And then that conversation evolved into something different. And the person did not want this to get published. I got a Twitter message. Hold up. So it was really good content, and he was being very helpful to me. And I really don't understand why he doesn't want other people to have that same value, have the same help. I don't want to take it all for myself because he's dropping some knowledge on me. So anyway, with that said, how do I present my screen? How do I present my screen? Come here. And I'll just start the screen share, and I'll present to everybody. And this is going to be really quick. So in F# colon bank account kata volume 2, I discussed how I was unhappy, or I was not proud of the pattern that I saw amongst my different handlers for a bank transaction, specifically handle withdrawal, handle deposit, handle transfer. They all have like these embedded like if-else statements within my pattern match construct. And same thing here, same thing here, same thing here. And so like just looking at the code, I see all these indents, and it's just something that I wasn't thrilled about. So, but I didn't know what to really do about it. And then I took a nap, and of course, I'm the only person that dreams about writing programs and solving problems. And so while I was asleep, I woke up with a solution. And I mean, it's pretty like common sense. It's just, I just wasn't seeing it. Is, well, why not take this if else statement and make that another case for my pattern matching, right? So instead of if can withdraw account amount, right? This can withdraw is a function. It takes two parameters, account and amount, or it has two parameters, account and amount. It takes two arguments. So instead of doing that, if can withdraw and whatever payload that I pass in there, else just return sum and say withdraw failed. Instead, I could just replace this if else with this right here. So in case you missed it, I add a new case in which I use this when, I don't know, keyword, reserved word, whatever it is, to qualify or to extend my case, or put conditions on my case. So not only am I handling a case where it's a withdraw request with the payload attached to it, but also when that payload, when run through a function, meets a certain condition, right? And so essentially I took that if else statement and I just replaced it with this case right here. And it's the same thing. So if you want to see it before, this is the way it used to look, right? For all these methods, right? If else, and it kind of obscured the readability of the code. I'll replace that structure, the if else, with this right here. And so is the code still, can the code be even more clear? Yeah. Is it an improvement compared to how it was implemented before? I think so. And so yeah, that's all I really wanted to share. Yeah, we can move that back. My OCD's taking over. So that's essentially it. And I mean, all the other behavior was preserved. And that's it. So instead of me, this is where I usually babble and not make sense, which I probably already started, but that's all I wanted to share is basically when you observe a code smell where you have nested conditional statements within your pattern matching construct. Um, I discovered that, well, why not just create another pattern match case to replace that if else statement that you have embedded within your pattern matching code. All right, so let me go back, stop that. It should return back to me, and that is it. Um, you can view you can view a lot of these katas that I do, amongst other things. Basically, everything that I do that's related to programming, or almost everything that I do that's related to programming, that has nothing to do with a specific client. It's just me practicing, honing my skills. You can go to bizmonger.wordpress.com. And so, okay, I guess I might as well navigate there. So if I show my screen again, come here. And I do, what's this? I guess I'll kill that. What's this over here? I could do bizmongerwordpress.com. One person is giving me a hard time because they said that I need to step up my game and have this actually respect, my domain or my own website versus using WordPress specific website. I should have something that's more specific to my own URL. Anyway, so this is my technical blog. This is where I record my thoughts. This is my technical journal, and I'm going to embed this video into this blog post right here, just like so that it will be consistent with some of my other blog posts. F Sharp Bank Account Volume 2, right, or F Sharp Bank Account Kata Volume 2, and F Sharp Bank Account Kata, where you at? Come here. Volume 1, right? Just right here. All right, so how do I go back? How do I go back? Stop. Oh, man. I hope I caught that. Anyway, that's it. And I am done. I didn't click the present to everyone button, so I wonder if it even showed what I was presenting. But anyway, that's it. My name is Scott Nimrod, aka Bizmonger. That's my internet name. That's also my registered corporation name for software development. And I am available for contract, native application development, whether it's desktop or mobile, and also test automation. I get into all that. And that's it. Adios, de veo, adatito. I am out. 3, 2, 1.